The industry is moving faster than ever before. With automation, production volumes are bigger and changes have greater impacts, which means good decisions can lead to greater benefits on one hand. But on the other hand, mistakes are a lot more costly. You want to make sure your decisions are good ones. You want to avoid mistakes that could stress your production line, and that could result in huge losses. What if you could experiment the future now? What if you could test and evaluate new ideas in a time and cost-efficient way? Long before implementing them? This is what simulation is all about. At Visufact, we believe simulation should be accessible to anyone. We are developing an online simulator that allows you to easily build and animate your factory. Focus on the material flow between your process operations, attach storage and handling systems. Creating your factory model is so easy. It can be done in minutes. Test your ideas in this risk-free environment. Run experiments until you are confident that they can be safely implemented in your production. Try the online demo. You can already test some of those features for free. And don't worry, most features will stay free forever. Help us design the software you will love. Tell us what we should add or improve to meet your needs. Visit visufact.com now. Join our community and be part of our story.